Introducing the Tohnichi DOTE200N3-G-MD Torque Tester, a revolutionary tool that will transform your torque measurement and calibration processes. Engineered by Tohnichi, this advanced torque tester combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset in various industries. With a broad torque range of 20 to 200 Newton meters, the DOTE200N3-G-MD Torque Tester is suitable for a multitude of applications, from light-duty to heavy-duty fastening tasks. Its state-of-the-art sensor technology ensures precise and reliable torque measurements, giving you utmost confidence in your results. The tester offers multiple units of measure, allowing you to switch between different scales effortlessly. Its intuitive keypad and clear display simplify operation, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Designed with portability in mind, the DOTE200N3-G-MD Torque Tester is lightweight and compact, making it convenient for on-site testing and field applications. Elevate your torque measurement and calibration processes with the Tohnichi DOTE200N3-G-MD Torque Tester. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the difference it brings to your quality control and maintenance procedures.